Hi everybody, it's great to see you. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, it's so nice to have you. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about efficiency, saving time, and making our lives easier, and share with you something I've been using in my household, which has really been a lifesaver. So let's talk about window cleaning. I am sure if you're like me, you do not enjoy window cleaning. It is very time consuming. I usually don't do a good job at all, and let's face it, it can be quite dangerous, especially if you're using a ladder. So I have been using right here the WINBOT W2 PRO OMNI from ECOVACS, and I absolutely love it. This right here is my new window cleaner. These are my sliding doors after just a couple weeks of dust and pollen. You can see the smudges, and when the sun comes through, it just looks dull and hazy. So I'm gonna show you how simple it is to use. First of all, you can see it comes in this super sleek carrying case. It's very lightweight. The front cover opens up very easily, and we have our robot inside. On the opposite side, we have our cleaning pad. This is detachable. You get it wet, you can put on the cleaning solution. Now we're gonna put it on the window, and that's it. It's perfectly safe, and it has a retractable safety cord. When you're done cleaning, all you have to do is put it back in its case, and you have this little button, and it automatically retracts the safety cord. So everything is nice and safe, and you can be ready for the next time. One big improvement I've noticed is the charging time. So you can absolutely charge it in advance, but it also comes with a plug. So if you don't have a chance to do that, you can just plug it in and allow it to run while it's plugged in. Smart cleaning has never been this effortless. It comes with 5 cleaning modes to handle every window situation. Quick clean for everyday dust, deep clean for stubborn dirt, edge clean for corners and frames, spot clean for targeted stains, and thorough clean for full coverage. With just one click, it intelligently adapts to your window's needs, delivering efficient, precise, and sparkling results, so you can sit back and relax while your windows shine. I also want to talk about safety because that's really important to me. It has a super strong suction, so even if you're cleaning high windows or you have a power outage, it will not drop. So we're gonna give it a little tug. You can see it doesn't go anywhere. I have little animals, so that's really important for me. So what do you think? This is the final result. The glass is crystal clear, the sunlight looks so much brighter, and my room feels more open and airy without me even lifting a finger. So what do I really think? I'm pretty sure you can tell by the smile on my face. I think this is such a wonderful investment at the price of $699. I was getting my windows professionally cleaned. It was at least $150 3 to 4 times a year, which obviously gets quite expensive. I love that I can do this whenever I want, especially living here in an environment where there are a lot of rain and tropical storms, plus the pet allergens and the pollen getting on the windows. It makes it very easy for me to keep my windows looking sparkling clean at a good price without lifting a finger. Thank you so much for watching this review of the WINBOT W2 PRO OMNI. I hope that you found it very, very helpful. It was really one of those gadgets that I didn't even know I needed until I had it. I will go ahead and put a link in my description. Please check it out and make sure to share the video with anybody else you feel would benefit from this amazing technology. We are all here to make our lives easier, and this definitely does it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Spend more time taking care of yourself and less time cleaning your windows. See you all soon.